will be. And in the meantime, we're going to move on to COVID-19 related news. We have been talking about the local transmitted case, the Indian man in Thailand. The latest development is that we also have another case. It's not confirmed yet whether this South Korean soldier got infected in Thailand or not, but he tested positive when he already back in South Korea, coming back from Thailand. This South Korean soldier has been infected with COVID-19 after returning from Thailand. The director of the Epidemiology Division of the Diseases Control Department, Dr. Walairat Chaifu, told the media today that a South Korean military officer who participated in the planning of the Cobra Gold military exercise in Thailand was found to be infected with COVID-19 upon his return to South Korea. The discovery of the infection has prompted Thai health officials to launch an immediate investigation to try to determine whether he was infected while in Thailand and to try to track down those who were in close contact with the officer. The officer in question tested positive on November 9th after his return to South Korea. According to the timeline, he arrived in Thailand on October 17. He took a hotel car from the airport to his hotel for quarantine, during which he has cleared of COVID-19 in 2 tests. After completing the mandatory quarantine on November 1st, he moved to a hotel in Sukhumvit area and went to a restaurant for dinner. While observing social distancing and wearing face masks, the following day he traveled in a rental car to a hotel in Ban Chang, Rayong province, to stay with another South Korean soldier. During the meeting held at the hotel in Ban Chang district between November 3rd and November 6th, the officer attended sessions which also involved 12 Americans, 5 South Korean, 2 Indonesians, 2 Australian, and 1 each from Singapore and Japan, China, and India. And also 177 Thai military officers attended that meeting. So all the 202 military officers had buffet lunches and dinners together during those meetings. The South Korean officer in question then traveled in a rental car to Bangkok on November 6th and stopped at the South Korean embassy before returning to a hotel in Sukhumvit area. He left for South Korea on November 8th